stickers.
Stickers are 10 horsepower.
This is the front extreme low for the Focus ST because we want to be as low as we can get.
Dad, what's your thoughts on slammed cars?
He'll change his mind after a little while of driving it. What 16-year-old doesn't want their car slammed on the ground?
Gotta do it once. Starting measurement is
5 3/8.
And where are we going?
3 3/8.
So we're tucking.
A little bit, yeah.
All right, 1 of 1 as of right now until the boys cop them.
1 of 1. Too much torque is right, boy.
Yeah, let's get a fit check on this thing.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Little turnaround. Dope. You know it's low when it's full droop right now and it's not high enough up there. I don't think you realize that yet, but you will here. Shopping cart problems.
It's not a problem.
Hey Link, what do you have to say for your brother's YouTube video?
Yeah.
Let me see your drone. Show that thing up close. I don't know, man. This thing might not be low enough. Well, this should be interesting.
What do you think BC stands for?
Before Christ.
Butt cheeks.
Yeah, that's clever, Link. This fitment is gonna fit as close as your butt cheeks do together.
Not even on the ground yet.
little MOT. Keep in mind, rear springs settle the most. If you want tire to fender, it'll probably get there. Oh, for like a day of driving. But if you want past that, we need to lower it more.
So back up.
Yeah.
How do you don't have to take out?
Well, I think it's sick.
What were you just looking
Some big scissors, man.
Yeah, get closer. It looks like a bug. Ah! I want one. Is that an Amazon?
Yep.
Alright, we'll put an affiliate link in the description.
What?
So how much lower?
all the way down?
You're at the bottom of the spring perch?
Yep.
It's like low now that the bolt for the bottom shock is like by the frame. Sick. It sounds like every other hot board.
The boy's gonna have to go sideways over curves now.
You just hit them straight on and just slap the front end up.
You're gonna be the guy shaking my head at driving through the parking lot.
You're like, look at this guy stuck right now.
Every kid in the school parking lot like, why are they going sideways?
Girls are gonna fall into your car and be like, why is this thing so low? I don't get it, Parker. Like, can we get your mom's Bronco, please? No, let's ride this thing. Going on the freeway.
What did you say? What did you say? You want Chick-fil-A? Mike said my kidneys hurt.
All the dudes are gonna be like, dude, this thing's sick.
Brother, are you sure about this?
So I told him, I go, you know this is too low. We gotta take this all back apart, right? He just smiles.
Alright, rear is off. Front is also off, so that's concerning. I might end up like Stancy pants. Oh man, don't.
Give me some bounce.
Bro, does it have any travel?
Static is in zero suspension.
She's low, baby. I mean, honestly, with stock wheels, it's gonna look kind of clean.
Them 16s are real clean.
Those are 18s, Dad. We paid extra for the ST. I mean, you did. It has some travel, actually.
Yeah.
It's probably not gonna settle this low. It might, but I feel like it has nowhere to go.
There's nowhere to settle.
It is settled.
Just do the other back and then just leave it.
Oh yeah, just
You do the Yuma lift.
the Yuma lift,
Squat,
baby.
squat.
Hey, throw in a pic of the
then-
Silverado.
And then we get the shiny locally hated sticker to go on.
Okay, no one did that in Yuma. That's a Cave Creek thing.
At least on the other side, we don't have to measure. We just put it all the way down.
Exactly.
I'm so happy for you.
That's one
I'm
part.
so happy for you. I'm so happy you don't have those problems of calculating anything. I'm gonna explain to you something. This big piece needs to go on the top. That goes up high, and the perch should sit in there, metal to metal, and it's a 19mm and you can snug it up tight. This is where you make your height adjustment, and make sure you have that plastic ring on there. Then set the spring in. The spring is sitting in there clean, perch is good. Now I can put the jack under here and line up this bolt for the lower control arm, and it will be good and make no noises and function properly. Squatted rear, sheesh.
Yeet it right off that roof stand.
My work here is done.
The hammer, pry bar, the
You can fix
shredder.
anything with this.
I see a ship over there. If I request the poacher polish. Lady.
Listen up, kids. Before you put the jacks up, take your measurement. Right, Dad?
Never listen to Dad.
4 7/8.
Okay, put the tire defender and measure the distance to get it up inside a little bit, and then subtract it. 2 3/4.
Like 2.5, 2 3/4.
Yeah, 2 3/4 to tuck. All right, Lincoln, what's the stakes here?
So whoever wins rock paper scissors 2 out of 3 picks dinner.
All right, Link, how old are you?
11.
Parker, how old are you?
16.
All right, we got a big matchup here. All right, it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
If he picks Tokyo's, you're eating it.
I'm not eating there.
Well, then what is the point of doing this?
That's the point of the rock paper scissors. So then what's the point? Is you have to eat it if you lose. That's the punishment.
No.
There's no risk.
Yeah.
He has no risk.
Yeah, we have all the risk. That's not fair.
Exactly. You gotta eat it.
No.
Okay, I'll still beat you. Right, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
In and out it is.
That pays to be the little brother sometimes. All right, Coach Cam is taking a seat. Hey, can you toss that light back up there for the viewers? No, we really need to put the viewers first. It's selfish of you to let that light fall down.
Got you, fam.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. That's fabulous.
Or just lay it squatted. ST gods.
Oh.
Let's go!
Bro, look, let me just hold that there. Put that there. Put that back. Put that back. Put that back. Put that back. You deserve a roasting for this. Just put that back. You were gonna try that. Put it back.
I did try it. What are you talking about?
Yeah, homie's like, yeah, this is gonna work. Yeah, no. Oh, he's still got the gun. He's confident that the gun is not in the way. Brother. Oh, wow.
Bro, was this not an 8?
Alright, that's freedom.
Let's go. And out to the masses.
I always get
Food time. Booyah. Thanks, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very important tool. This is a strut spreader. You're gonna need that. That bolt, when you took it off, it actually opened up relatively a lot. Now the last thing you need to do is get this off, Parker. The tie rod end, yeah. Yeah. I looked this up on YouTube and found my own video and taught myself something 2 years later. Get a piece of metal, stick it in the butt crack of the spindle where Justin's hand is at, and thread the bolt in backwards as Justin is doing now. So the bolt has nowhere to go but push the cheeks apart.
There it goes.
Perfect.
There we go. Sheesh.
19 and a quarter.
Be 19, yeah.
Sheesh.
Big brain on.
Algebra.
Pass-through ratchet
Yep, from Harbor Freight.
with a 15 socket and 5 Allen in.
You can use an Allen wrench or just the socket like that. This is the fancy way. Listen, boys and girls, you don't want this one to come off or else you lose steering. So make sure you blow a hernia in the process and you'll be good.
Now with this boy?
That's just a nut now, not no stupid bracket. Man, if you were organized, it'd be so easy to find everything, but this man's is cooking right now. Little MOT.
Where's the rest?
It's on your hood latch. Your dad was about to take out the drywall, so I took it off. Viewer discretion advised. You are over the age of 18. Do not watch this video. You will get triggered. Alright, fam, so we're gonna put the jack right on the outside of the side skirt, pinch it, break it by lifting.
Definitely needs to go low.
Loosening the lower, go ahead and spin that up. How much you want to see the car drop? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Seriously?
Is that too much?
I mean, YOLO, right? Round two.
I still don't think it's gonna be low. Does that look low enough?
The back is so low, bro. What the frick? Alright, one more time. Max her out.
Freaking all the way up.
All the way down. When all the lock rings are smashed together. I've never seen this before.
Okie dokie.
If this isn't low enough. If you're aspiring to follow Parker's path, feel zero need to measure, just max these things out.
This boy better be there.
Oh, bruh. 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 This man is gonna make some people pressed.
Roll the hate comments in.
Roll the hate comments in.
Roll 'em in.
So how does it feel?
Feels good to be a gangster.
Alright, so just do that all over again or what? That was about 5 minutes. The key difference is that thick piece of metal in there, and drill the crap out of it and open that thing up as much as you can. If you don't have a piece of metal planned that's pretty thick to slide back there and then to ram that bolt in backwards, I would not start this job.
Now we full send or no send. Now that it's off and we already know, we can just screw this all the way up. I'll tighten this once it's on because I can't tighten it.
Wheels torqued, suspension tight. You're officially a rice burner, my friend. If you hit a bump like that, you're gonna crunch your fender, so be careful. Easy on the full lock corners. It's definitely a lot stiffer. I can feel every crack.
Appreciate you guys stopping by. Huge thanks to BC Racing for these super sick coils. If you guys like what you're seeing here, go check out this video right here. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.